Good morning, everybody. I'm Meenakshi from class 9. Thanks to our respected principals, sir, and teachers for giving me the opportunity to speak on the occasion of National Unity Day. It is true when people say that a leader is not one who controls followers, but someone who is of the people and serves the country with his actions. The world is remembering today Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India and the father of United Nations, on his 146th birth anniversary, also celebrated as the National Unity Day, Rashtriya Ekta Diwas. Since 2014, on 31st October, National Unity Day is observed to celebrate the efforts and sacrifices of Sardar Patel. Sardar Patel was highly respected for his leadership in uniting 562 princely states to form the single Union of India. On this day, the government conducts Run for Unity to mark the birth anniversary of Iron Man. When Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi had recalled the mantra of Ek Bharat Shreshth Bharat, he said that Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel gave us Ek Bharat and we should all work towards creating Shreshth Bharat. Undoubtedly, Sardar Patel is most famous for uniting India as a whole. He has said, by common endeavor, we can raise the country to a new greatness, while lack of unity will expose us to fresh calamities. The map of modern India, as we see today, would not have been possible without the proactiveness, diplomacy, and hard work of Sardar Patel. He was the first deputy prime minister, a political pragmatic, a diplomat, and a military commander at the same time. By 1946, he made his mark in the Kheda and Bardoli satyagrahas and became one of the most popular leaders of the freedom struggle. During this time, he earned the title Sardar. He was simple and stoic in his habits. Sardar was a man of few words, but when he did talk, people listened. In the era when leadership was divided in ideological battles, Mahatma Gandhi even remarked, "The problem of the states is so difficult that you alone can solve it." And Sardar Patel merged princely states with the Union of India and prevented the balkanization of the newly independent country. He emphasized the importance of building up a strong character by young men and women to lead a nation toward greatness. He believed that success can be achieved through discipline, hard work, and unity among people. Once he quoted, "Discipline and organization mean half the battle won." There is a lot we can learn from this brave man who fought selflessly for the nation and its people. Thank you. Have a good day.